Hi everyone, thanks for checking out this video that demonstrates how to get wider width lumber from an M8 turbo sawmill without removing any safety equipment or modifying it in any way. This particular version cuts up to an 8-inch or 20.3 centimeter piece of dimensional lumber. To help preserve my back, the next time I use or rent this sawmill, I will have my own cribbing lifting the logs off the ground. This should help with body mechanics. I have a tractor to lift the logs, so getting them positioned is not an issue. The technique of rocking the bar of the saw is crucial, as you would when you're cutting off a log. Therefore, when you attempt this, it needs to be the first cut after eliminating the live edge, minimizing this space you see here. I hadn't figured out the rocking technique at this point, and it is difficult to push the saw through the wood with the log as it is positioned here. I think this is an aha moment, and this is where I figured out the rocking technique. But the other thing that is evident here is the live edge below is close to the left edge of the piece of lumber that I'm cutting through. Placing a shim prevents the binding of the bar. This can be done at both ends, although the near end, I just broke it off on this particular cut.